This is November, Thanksgiving week, 2021. Let's see what changes are out here at the tree. There's still lots of people bringing their cars, trucks out here, as you can tell by all of the tracks left behind. This was never like this. I mean, look at this. Looks like some fucking off-road highway playground. The park rangers do cite people when they do it, but you imagine catching them out here? The chances of them doing that? I don't give this tree much more time out here, unfortunately. So idiots were getting on the road. It's all washed out right there. And they were bringing off-road vehicles here. But right here where I'm walking, it was washed out real bad. And right at the tree itself, that 1,000-year flood, which happened last year, it was about a foot away from the trunk of the tree. All of that got washed out because there's now a channel. It looks like a dry riverbed that was about 1.5 feet deep right at the tree. Looked like a little miniature canyon. So there was a tremendous amount of water out here, and but it did not touch the tree. It was very close. And look how much green vegetation is. So the dumbasses were bringing their vehicles and tearing all this up. They were coming from, so you can see where I'm parked. So they were tearing all this up. I don't see too many fresh tracks. These are old because the green, we've got some life here. So there's a couple here. So, but look at what some moron did. I don't know how somebody could do what they did. How they can do this. And the bad thing is, you're out here in the middle of nowhere, you can do what you want. But look at what they did. They took a big fucking piece of the tree out. That's fucking sad. So here's the washout. Look how deep that is. This was never here before. This was caved in a little bit, but nothing like this. But look at where that tree is over there. That's a good 2 feet maybe. So this is what some fucking moron did. I hope when he took it, he got on the road and he got hit by a bus. I don't know. I just don't know some people how they do this. I'm guessing that there's got to be about 2 feet of trunk that was taken. That's my guess. Wow. That's sad. How do you come out here and just cut the fucking tree up? Just to stick it in your garage and... Yeah. Well, trying what we can to preserve this, but there's always an idiot in every bunch who's not going to let you. So I really believe that this site is not going to be around much longer, because people that do stupid things like this, they're just, there's going to be another dumb one right behind them to copy what they did, or take another piece before it's, they'll think before it's somebody else does it. But this tree sure has been taking a beating over the years. I've been coming here 10 years now. I just passed 10 years. But the conditions out here should keep this tree. There's another old hack. And then the hack that I repaired a few years back right there. But this tree should have lasted a lot longer, in better condition out here than the state that it's in. It's kind of sad to see it, but what can we do? I'm actually trying to do something about it, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, I'm going to open the book, the register, and check in and read up on what who's been out here. All right, I am out. Look at this channel, how deep that is right there. Wow. So the old trunk of the tree stopped about right here. So this is how close it got to getting completely washed away and torn to pieces. I really don't think it would have survived that. I'm out.